was in the mid-'80s when Matt McPherson and his father, Mander McPherson, started their quest on how to make the best-sounding acoustic guitar possible. Matt started playing guitars when he was approximately 15 years old. It has since been a passion of his. Matt started testing different tone wood and body shapes. He moved the sound hole from the center to the side, breaking with standard luthier traditions. Then, he started working from the inside out, grafting braces and creating a patented overpass-underpass brace system. The cantilevered neck made it complete.
Well, each one of our handcrafted instruments takes at least 6 months to complete from start to finish, depending on custom options. It's this old school craftsmanship combined with innovative design and technology that really sets McPherson Guitars apart.
Some changes may be subtle, but they're revolutionary in sound. Offset sound hole, cantilever neck, carbon truss rod and neck, overpass-underpass bracing system, 6 months and built to last a lifetime.
Imagine being told that your job is to build the best guitar that you possibly can. That's a dream job to me.
Choose from their 3 collections, all emerging from a marriage of craftsmanship and creativity. The 6-string series has built a reputation not only for impeccable fit and finish, but for the effortless way it fits into any live performance setting. Designed with a slightly smaller body profile, the Camriel has a compact, punchy tone and clear bell-like voice. It excels as a fingerstyle go-to instrument. The 12-string can only be described as epic. Incorporating the same dynamic range and precise intonation found in their 6-string guitars, this series becomes a tonal powerhouse that can cut through any mix.
We approach guitar design with a blank slate. It really allows us to work with the customer to build a unique instrument for them, not only tonally, but also cosmetically as well.
Every detail on a McPherson guitar has been carefully thought over. Even the inside of the instruments are sanded as clean as the outside, with the McPherson name in mother of pearl on the inside. The rich, full tone and clarity of the McPherson guitar is like no other. Once you pick one up, you will never want to put it down. You really have to play one to believe it.